Alright guys, so pretty serious story just came out yesterday, and I'm just gonna make a kind of a note at the beginning of this video that these are not any opinions or my feelings or thoughts or any kind of anything about this story. Simply, this is a reiteration of a story that originally came out from the Wall Street Journal and a few other sites who posted it, and this is from documents that eBay sent in the form of a cease and desist letter to Amazon. And the story reads that Amazon was caught poaching or stealing customers from eBay. Basically, they were going into eBay messages of sellers. Amazon employees, hired Amazon employees, this is all allegedly, of course, and then asking those eBay customers to come over to Amazon and sell on their platform rather than eBay. And so that's the allegations. That's what eBay has sent a cease and desist letter over, and that is the story. So I want to take you over there, show you it from the Wall Street Journal and other websites. Again, not my opinions. This is simply allegedly, and these are facts of what happened. I'm not disparaging anyone. I'm not talking negatively. I don't know what did or didn't happen. This is just what's coming out. And the fact that eBay sent them a cease and desist letter is a fact. It was shown, and eBay is also requesting, you know, records of how many customers and how much money and all that kind of good stuff. But we can show you all that. And so with that, I want to go over to my computer and let you guys check it out. This story is huge and it's pretty crazy. We all know Amazon's CEO and president owner Jeff Bezos wins at all costs. This could be an example of that. Again, allegedly, we don't know. We'll have to wait and see what happens. But let's go over to the story on my computer and check it out. Okay guys, so here we are on the Wall Street Journal's website. And so initially, eBay found out about this 10 days ago when an eBay seller let eBay know that they had been contacted by an Amazon representative. Apparently, according to eBay, and this is all alleged, I'm not a judge or a lawyer or any of this, this is all what eBay is alleging in its cease and desist, is that Amazon's sales representatives from worldwide, 50 of them, sent over 1,000 messages to eBay sellers trying to get them to come over to Amazon. Now, a lot of sellers do sell on both platforms, that is true, but there are a lot of sellers that only sell on one or the other. And so some of those sellers that are eBay only sellers were probably, in my guess, the ones that Amazon was targeting if they did what they are being accused of doing. Again, I'm not a lawyer, a judge. I don't make these decisions. I'm simply relaying the story that appeared on the Wall Street Journal. And also, if you Google this, it appeared on BBC, CNBC, CNN, CBS, YouTube. It's all over the place. This is a huge breaking story. But I believe the Wall Street Journal is the one that officially sent it out. Laura Stevens did on October 3rd at 9 o'clock in the morning, which was just 2 days ago, Wednesday. Today is Friday, October 5th, 2018. So this was just 2 days ago that she released this. In the cease and desist letter, eBay claimed Amazon actually violated the California Comprehensive Computer Data Access and Fraud Act. That's a whole lot of fancy words, just basically saying it's a computer crime, that they tried to poach the customers. They also violated eBay's user agreement, which you agree not to message things like that, not to do business outside of eBay. We all know those user agreements that you sign with eBay, which is great for eBay. It protects their business. And if Amazon is guilty of doing what they say of what eBay has accused them of, which I don't really have a lot of reason to not believe eBay here, it would be huge. It'd be big news, and Amazon's going to have a little explaining to do. There's no doubt about it. An eBay spokesman said that they can confirm they've uncovered an unlawful, troubling scheme on the part of Amazon to solicit eBay sellers to move to Amazon's platform, and they're going to take the appropriate steps to protect eBay. So good for them. And Amazon spokeswoman said they're investigating the allegations. So that was the only response that they got. I'm interested to know what you guys think about these allegations. Please make sure you're subscribed to my channel and turn your notifications on, because I'm going to update this story as it progresses and as we eventually come to an outcome of whether or not Amazon did this, if eBay can prove it, and what happens, as far as a lawsuit goes. This is big news, and it's all over the internet. So I'm interested. Have any of you received messages like this? If you have, you should probably contact eBay. And also, what do you think about this? How do you feel about this? Put it down in the comment section below. I love that you guys watch these videos. I love that you have opinions one way or the other. As long as you're respectful and put it in the comment section below in a respectful way, I will approve it. And we'll have a discussion. Other than that, yeah, guys, just let me know what you think. don't be quiet. I know some of you are shy and don't like to get involved, but just go ahead and put a comment up, and I will respond to it for you guys. Have a wonderful Friday. It is the weekend. Again, it's October 5th, TGIF. So until I talk to you again tomorrow on Saturday, have a wonderful night, and I will see you then.